Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome, I hope you're having a great week. I wanted to show you some cards that Hilary made for me. Hilary was in the video that I posted that had the t-shirt and we all had our names, so if you're not familiar with her, she's one of my local Crafting and Relaxing friends. I don't have nearly as many locally as I do online. There's a lot of you guys now and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So she sent these in for me to send to school staff, and I just wanted to share them with you. Look at these. They're amazing. Okay, this is alcohol pearl. If you're not familiar with alcohol inks or alcohol pearl, they're pretty fun. I don't know, Tim Holtz might be the only one that makes the pearl version, but there are other companies of alcohol ink. Great for backgrounds, all sorts of beautiful patterns, quick and fun. I haven't purchased them, but I do have some videos where I played with Hilary's, and they're great. Then she's got a die cut here. She did a vellum backing, which you might not be able to see as well on video, and then a really nice glitter. It looks like maybe she heat embossed it. It's wonderful. So it really picks up the color of the pearl. And then she's got a hello, and then she's got a thanks here where she used a colored backing and the same technique. Love these. Really, really fun. And it probably doesn't show in the video, but she's lifted the panel with the alcohol ink. See how it's lifted up? So it gives you this pop and like the word is sitting on it. Very cute. And then look at this. Such wonderful, wonderful detail. It says, sloppy break, slow down, enjoy your day. And I don't know what she used on that. Maybe markers? Not sure. Let me see if you can get a good look. And it's heat embossed. It's heat embossed in black. Very, very cute. Oh, and look on the back. On the back, she signs her cards, Tort and Tabby. Yep, we all have our little critters. Tort and Tabby. Isn't that darling? So your cats could be your brand if you want. I love that. Thank you so much, Hilary. These are just great, and I will be sure that I get them sent out. Now, moving on today, here's an empty box. I know, I'm not going to do that thing where you color the inside of it, and I don't know, it would look good with blue paper. I have a medium-size flat rate priority box. And I'm going to, for the giveaway that I'm kicking off today, right now, I'm going to tell you the rules. US only, you have to be 18 and over. You need to be a visible subscriber participant in my channel. So if you're brand new, you just showed up today, fine, get in the game. This is only sponsored by me. It's not from any of the brands shown or YouTube, okay? And I'll probably leave it up for about a week, but I'm not exactly sure how soon after that I'll mail the package, and you'll figure out why. Okay, so it's a medium-sized flat rate box, which means I can fill this box and ship it anywhere in the US, regardless of how heavy it is for the same price. So what I have done is I've selected a bunch of items, but the box is only about half full at this point. So whoever wins is going to let me know what colors they like and what they're into. Maybe if they're brand new and they need tools, or they've been doing this a long, long time, or they're into junk journals. I'm going to fill the rest of the box based on the recipient because I have so much fun doing that. I loved packing Marsha's box, and I like doing giveaways that include stuff that I know the person will like. That's why sometimes in my giveaways I ask you what your favorite color is, because I want to know. I want to make sure there's something in the box that you will like if I put the effort in to ship it. So, basic gray, long gone. You cannot run out and buy this paper pad. This is the Wisteria paper pad. I got this at the garage sale and said one for you and one for me. And here's the one for you. This is beautiful. Single-sided, all greens and lovely tones. There's quite a bit of purple in here, green and purple. I know, Andrea's gonna freak out. Yep, we're giving this away. You can enter legitimately. That's the other thing too. If you've won one of my giveaways before, don't be shy. You can enter. You don't have to hide out. If you're watching my channel and supporting me all the time, then maybe you win every time. I don't know. I use the random comment picker. I don't write them all up and put them in the little thing. If somebody wants to know about the random comment picker and you have a channel and you're doing those all by hand, don't hesitate to ask me. Then I'm also including Cartabella, Old World Traveler by Karina Gardner. You're getting 6x6s because I love them and they're easy to ship. This one, Cartabella, is fabulously thick paper. This one is Traveler, a bit more masculine. It'd be great for vintage or junk journal style. There's plains and nice patterns. Ooh, look at those. That I really like. I think I have this in 12x12, so I don't need both because based on how the summer papers are grinding me down, I definitely want to share with you. But I like that paper. It's great. Crafter's Companion. I think I got this one at the garage sale too. This is a really nice pad for somebody who doesn't have a lot of paper and needs variety. This is not going to be a great pad for those of you who are learning to make cards and want to mix and match all the papers in it. This isn't that kind of pad. I mean, there's some stuff in here that does not go together. Ooh, love that one. So just keep that in mind. Pointer for you. Okay, then we have the little basket. So this is the little Queen & Company shopping basket that I got at Expo. And for you pink lovers, I did not want to hoard it. I don't know exactly how this will look when I ship it to you. I probably won't put all this stuff in here like this because it might get beat up. Then I have some flat-backed bling that you could glue on or use for shakers, whatever you want to do with it. Some pink and white twine. A sticker that is kind of fun and has just been sitting around. Bubbles in, they look very blue on the camera, but they're kind of greenish blue a little bit. Here's some iridescent blue bubbles. These are fun. They just go with everything. I love them. Goosebumps, same thing. Look at those. Oh my gosh. Those are fun. Goes with everything. Okay, then this is a pair of scissors from one of those monthly sewing boxes. So I almost sent these to Tanisha K, but then I realized she probably had them, so I didn't send them to her. So just a little pair of scissors. They're curved at the end, so I don't know if you'll like them, but if nothing else, look at them. They're hearts and plaid or gingham. Super cute for your craft room. The basket itself, a thing of buttons. These buttons are beautiful and vintage. A lot of them are vintage. They're not the flat kind, okay? So I'm not sure what you're going to use them for. Maybe on strings and journals. Maybe if you actually sew. Maybe stitching them onto the front of something, but they're not the flat kind. So it's just an assortment. I put them in here. And if you're not, this goes for everything in here. If I send you something in any box and any giveaway and you don't love it or you're not going to use it, pass it on. Give it to your friend, your sister, another YouTuber, whatever you want to do. It's yours. Just the idea is to share it and pay it forward, not let it sit in my craft room and never get used. Speaking of which, I bought this die from My Favorite Things, and it says birthday wishes. You might have seen it in one of my videos. I am not going to use it. I'm just not. It's daintier. It's hard for me when I look at a die in a store to imagine what it's going to look like. It's daintier than I expected, and I got my happy birthday die, and I like it. Birthday cards are hard for me. I don't love making them. So there's a birthday wishes die for you. Then I also ended up with 2 sets of square dies because Creative Gigi, check out her channel, sent me some. And then I got some from bbcraft.com. So a set of those for you. Some blue bling because everybody needs blue in their life. You just do. Even if you're not really a blue person. All right. Then another 6x6 pad. This one is authentique and it is called Flawless. And I think I showed this a bit in the haul. It's very girly, a bit vintage. It would be great for cards or junk journaling. Has some nice geometrics and then a lot of florals in it. Super, super cute. And I love this one. Doesn't matter what color it is, I love it. And nice cut aparts with inspirational sayings. And then it repeats right here after this. So super cute. And then to go with it, this might be a little too peachy. You might not use it with it, but Wedding Day Echo Park fans. I'm hoping that fans and bows ship okay. We'll see. Then some pink bling, because you'll need some. Then bows and ephemera. I'm not really sure you're going to use those together, but there might be some things in there. It's Cartabella Rockabye Baby Bows. And this is Basic Gray. This is an old one I had more than one of. It's Urban Luxe by Basic Gray, and it's the ephemera pack. And I'm not going to take it all out and show you every item, but you can see it's pretty cute and has a lot of pink and purple in it and blue. So, of course, it's good. Then this bag is from Tasha, A Date with My Craft Room. I'm paying it forward, regifting it. You could do the same, or you could take it apart and use it on a card, because this is gorgeous paper. And I've put another full ephemera pack in here. This one is, I don't remember what collection it was. It came in my Echo Park box. Metropolitan, maybe? Metropolitan Girl has a lot of really girly and city kind of sayings, and super cute. So I tried to get in a lot of like pinky peachy to go with different stuff. Then I have a 6x6 stencil here from Cartabella. Ice cream cones. It's summer. It's time. And then a little purse. And what do you keep in your purse? Oh, you keep washi in your purse. Pink washi. It will go really well with that. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite color is and what you're working on these days. But definitely your favorite color. That's your trigger to enter. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said, whoever the winner is, I have tulle and embellishments and cards and trinkets and buttons and embroidery floss. I have a Tim Holtz small stamp platform, all kinds of stuff. And that box is only half full, so we're going to decide what goes in the other half together. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye-bye.